Hey guys, we have this Lone Star mystery box. I got 10 of them. It was the 2 5-packs. Let's go ahead and see what I got. First and foremost, we got a Benny Penny. That's pretty sweet. Ooh, they threw a mini in there. The mini Mad Cat. That feels really good, actually. Hopefully I'll have a challenge where I have to throw a stupid mini at some point. Play a league that does some of those things. Got a Dos X or XX. We got a penny putter, and that's in a V2 plastic. That looked pretty sweet. We have a Bluebonic double stamp, V1. Looks like a double stamped Warbird in an alpha plastic. We have a Lararat, I think is how you pronounce that. That looks really sweet with that double stamp. Alpha plastic as well. And that is a Copperhead. Does not say what kind of plastic it is, but it feels like a V1. We have a Walker, and that is in a Delta 2 157. Doesn't feel like 157, but it might be. I throw a Walker a lot, so that'll be interesting to try that one out. Oh, 2 left. Got another Bluebonic. This one is in yellow, double stamp as well. V1. And last but certainly not least, we have another Warbird. This one's actually a really sweet design on here. Look at the colors. And that one is in a 172. So we had the Warbird, the Bluebonic, the Walker, the Copperhead, the Lararat, Warbird, Bluebonic, had the penny putter, the Dos X, the mini, which they threw that one in there. I think that's pretty sweet. I think I'm going to be using that mini, and the penny putter with a Benny stamp on top of it. Pretty awesome.